Hello everyone, this is Vincent Chan from Portder.net. So as you guys may know, yesterday was the launch of the HUAWEI P40 series, but before we look at the HUAWEI P40, of course we have to take a look at the P series history. So I believe the HUAWEI P series really took off when they started the partnership with Leica back in the HUAWEI P9, and then we have the P10, the P20, and of course the P30 last year. And finally, in 2020, we get the HUAWEI P40. In fact, not only the HUAWEI P40 but also the HUAWEI P40 Pro and HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus.
P40, P40 Pro and the P40 Pro Plus.
So he goes on to reveal that the HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus sports a similar design as the P40 Pro but with a ceramic back. Each back takes 5 days to create, so it's quite a difficult process, but the upside is that it is almost crash proof because ceramic is a very cool material. HUAWEI also put a lot of effort into the fine details of the P40 series design. As you can see, there are like concentric circles around the camera area to highlight the importance of the camera in the HUAWEI P40 series. But of course, that's not all about the HUAWEI P40 series design. There's also the quad curve overflow display whereby the glass overflows the edges for more seamless design. It is available in the HUAWEI P40 and P40 Pro Plus, and the display itself runs up to 90Hz, which is very cool, and also supports DCI-P3 HDR color profile. And of course, they didn't miss out the opportunity to boast about how much it is better compared to the iPhone's display. There is a better screen to body ratio, and also they managed to cram in a larger battery into the HUAWEI P40 series, which is kind of expected. And also there's a faster fingerprint scanner in the display. It's worth noting that the HUAWEI P40 and P40 Pro have many new fancy colors. There's ice white,
It's mysterious. Ice white is very unique. Elegant.
deep sea blue,
Black.
black,
Classical black.
blush gold,
Blush gold.
and silver frost.
Silver frost.
They all come in a matte finish, so it's resistant to fingerprint while also looking fantastic.
So hot right now.
Enough about the design. The HUAWEI P40 series is all about the camera, and this time they are pushing the tagline visionary photography. So you get 3 cameras in the HUAWEI P40, 4 in the P40 Pro and 5 in the P40 Pro Plus. Talk about product segmentation. So the camera configuration in the HUAWEI P40 is similar to the HUAWEI Mate 30s, while the P40 Pro gets a new RYYB zoom camera and the P40 Pro Plus gets a 10x zoom camera that uses the world's first multi-reflection super periscope telephoto camera.
Nice.
The main camera is now a 50 megapixel RYYB sensor, which is also the largest sensor among all the recent smartphone camera sensors, measuring it at 1/1.28 inch. There's also Octa PD for faster focusing in low light, multi-spectrum color temperature sensor with improved AI auto-white balance algorithm, XD Fusion engine for combining input from multiple cameras for one stunning bokeh-licious photo. Low light performance is also much better, and it's expected to surpass all other flagships in the market. The single shot performance is apparently better than the night mode on both the iPhone and the S20 Ultra. And of course, there's HUAWEI Golden Snap, which uses AI to remove people, remove reflection, and also help you take the best photo in a burst. And they also upgraded the selfie camera, letting you take 4K videos while also unlocking your phone with Face Unlock in the dark with the IR depth sensor. And to really nail home the point that the HUAWEI P40 series is a professional-oriented smartphone camera, they also introduced the Professional Studio Lite design in collaboration with Profoto and supports the HUAWEI camera kit, so it can work with your HUAWEI P40 series for some pretty interesting modes. And of course, when you want to showcase all your photos, there's going to be the HUAWEI Next Image Awards 2020, which is happening quite soon. And now moving on to the performance under the hood of the HUAWEI P40 series is the Kirin 995G, their most powerful chipset. Apparently, they'll be using the Kirin 995G across the HUAWEI P40 series, so all the HUAWEI P40 smartphones will support 5G. It offers a very good improvement over the last gen of chipsets, and also it's one of the few flagship chipsets with the integrated 5G modem, unlike most flagships out there which now use a discrete modem which is less efficient. HUAWEI claims up to 31% better efficiency, so I guess that would translate to a lot better battery life. HUAWEI also now supports eSIM, which lets you use dual SIM and an NM card to let you take more photos without losing out on connectivity options. And there's also 2.4 gigabit per second Wi-Fi 6, which is up to 2 times faster than the competition, which is currently limited to 1.2 gigabit per second. And speaking of speed, there's also a 40-watt wireless HUAWEI Supercharge technology in the HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, which is the fastest in the industry yet.
This bad boy.
In addition to all the hardware features, HUAWEI also revamped the UI for the HUAWEI P40 series for a visionary experience with features like a new 3D AOD, natural gestures, and convenient multi-window. There's also a new AI voice assistant called Celia, which you can summon via Hey Celia, so probably we'll see more voice assistant memes now. HUAWEI will also be introducing HUAWEI Meet Time on the HUAWEI P40 series, which lets you do better video calls with higher quality, Full HD video, and also better low light performance. It also allows you to share your screen with the recipient of the call, which is probably one of the more interesting things, because then you can share whatever that's on your screen with the person on the other end. And since all the Huawei phones now run on Huawei HMS, the Huawei app gallery is also seen to have grown pretty nicely with 1.3 million developers and platforms on board, and they also announced partnerships with more video and music channels to deliver a better experience with Huawei Video and Huawei Music. And now let's enjoy a video of the Huawei P40 series. Ooh, wow, ooh, wow, wow.
Experience vision.
Meanwhile, the Huawei P40 series will be sold for €799, the P40 Pro for €999 and the P40 Pro Plus for €1399. Availability will start from 7 April except for the P40 Pro Plus, which I think the 5 days per device is taking quite a bit of time, so it will launch later in June. And that's it for the launch of the Huawei P40 series. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.